Hello guys, welcome to Lorerach Crochet Studio, and on this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make these beautiful raffle slippers with just these tools: a crochet hook, 3mm slippers, and your yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, love you. So let's get started. We make the slip knot. Okay, we adjust it, and from here we are going to do a single crochet for the first stitch, so we make it more firm. It works better for me this way. Okay, and we are going to do now, we are going to do double crochet. So we're going to make a total of 45 stitches. Okay, that's what we are going to do. And try to make it as tight as possible. It should not be loose to avoid loose end. Okay, because you want to make sure that you cover this as much as possible, and this is firm, the tension is good. We are not going to do it at this point to reduce skin friction, so we start from this point. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. It doesn't matter the type of slippers that you are using, any type can go, but just focus mostly on your stitch. It should not be loose. You want to make it very tight, as tight as possible. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And make sure that you hide your slip knot. You hide it, okay, while you are stitching. This is mine, I'm hiding it as I'm going. Okay, so see you when at the at this point to tell you what to do next. Now we are at the center. Watch how we move from this stripe to this stripe. Okay, watch closely. You do your double crochet slip and you pull it from this one, okay, like this, and you bring it out. Tension your yarn, you pull two out, okay, and you pull the other two. I repeat again, you pull from this, you tension your yarn, you pull two out, and you pull the other two again. So I do it the last time. So you're going to repeat this till when we are at this point, and I will tell you what to do next. Okay, so at this point, this is how our work looks like. I hope you can see it. We are done with round one, so I'll show you what to do next for round two. Okay, so we are done with our 45 stitches, and this is how our first row, this is how it looks like. So we move to the second row. So firstly we need to make 3 tight chains. Okay, one, make sure it's tight, two, and three. Then you turn your work. Okay, you turn your work, and in each of these stitches we are going to be doing double crochet into the first 4 stitches. Double crochet, okay? This is the first stitch. We do our first double crochet. We do the second. We do the third. And we do the fourth. So in the fifth stitch, we are going to start with our ruffle stitch, with our ruffle pattern, sorry. So here we are going to do double crochet 3 times in each stitch, okay, like this. One in the same stitch, so in the same stitch, 3, and we move to the next stitch, double crochet 3 times. And I forgot to make this announcement. If you are using a thicker yarn, you are going to do double crochet 2 times. And if you are using a tiny yarn like me, you are going to do double crochet 3 times. That's the only differences. Okay, 3. We move to the next one. So, and 3. So we are going to repeat this process to when we are at the at the end. We are going to leave 4 stitches. See you when we are at this point. At this point, we are going to leave 4 stitches where we are going to do our double crochet in 1 per stitch, 1 per stitch. Okay, see you at this point. So now we are left with 4 stitches, and here we are going to do double crochet 1 time in each of these stitches. Okay, next one, next, which is a 3, and this is the 4th here at this tail end. We have the 4th. Okay, so this is how our work look like from this stage. You can see the ruffle they're forming already. So if you like it at this point, you can stop. I want it more fuller, so I'll be doing the 3rd row. Okay, and we are going to repeat the same thing. Okay, we are going to chain 3 tight chain, 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to do double crochet in each of the 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, into the fifth stitch we are going to do double crochet 3 times if you have a tiny yarn like mine, and if you have a thicker yarn you are going to do double crochet 2 times. Okay, so we go the first time, 1, into the same loop, 2, into the same loop, 3, and we move to the next. That's all. 1, 2, and 3. So see you when you are at this point. So we are at the last 4 stitches, and we are going to do double crochet in each stitch 1 time. Okay, 1, next stitch, and here we are going to do a slip stitch. Okay, here, and we are going to cut this out. This is how beautiful it looks like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Love you.